The state of Maharashtra went to polls today for the Maharashtra Assembly elections, and here is a quick roundup of the same. The Maharashtra Assembly elections brought out Mumbai's diverse population, each playing their part in shaping the state's future. From first-time voters to civic heroes, from the affluent and the celebrities to the common man, people from all walks of life were seen stepping out to vote. Celebrities like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Ranbir Kapoor and many more celebs were spotted voting and urging the Mumbaikars to exercise their right to vote. A section of voters was seen braving the odds to vote. Pregnant voters, handicapped voters, and senior citizens didn't let any challenge hold them back from voting.
ये हम लेके आए हैं, ये हमारा प्रूफ है.
आज माझ्या वडिलांचं वय आहे 92, माझं वय 63 आणि मुलाचं 30 वय आहे. तर आम्ही 3 पिढ्या एकत्र येऊन मतदानाला आलोय.
बाबूलाल पी शाह, उमर 92, still voting.
While the authorities attempted to make arrangements for the same, not everything went smoothly. At the Dadar Bal Mohan Vidya Mandir voting centre, the lack of a wheelchair ramp posed challenges for voters with mobility issues. In response, NCC cadets and police personnel stepped in, lifting wheelchairs to ensure no one missed their chance to vote. Similarly, senior citizens and disabled voters at Vile Parle faced delays and confusion in accessing wheelchairs, highlighting the need for better accessibility planning. In Kurla, crowding at some stations was reported, with residents of redeveloping buildings expressing concerns about not receiving voting slips. While these hiccups persisted, most voters described the overall process as smooth.
The facilities are very nice actually. It was within 5 minutes everything has been done very nice.
The process was extremely seamless and easy. The management was really cooperative and I look forward to voting again.
वोटिंग तो मेरे को तुरंत दे लिया, जल्दी गई थी.
गर्दी नहीं थी बिल्कुल
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
सीनियर सिटीजन को प्रेफरेंस दी गई है.
At the Deonar Abattoir polling station in Govandi, youths aged 15 to 18, too young to vote, played a crucial role in facilitating the voting process.
I'm here for voting awareness, like help करतो आम्ही इथे लोकांना votingसाठी senior citizens किंवा वयस्कर लोक जे आहेत त्यांना help करतो आम्ही.
In Virar, bride to be stole the spotlight. Despite her wedding preparations, she prioritized her civic duty, reminding everyone that voting is a celebration of democracy.
मेरा नाम साइली राजेंद्र वर्ता. मेरे हिसाब से वोटिंग सबसे बड़ा अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. जो हमें डेवलपमेंट आगे चाहिए, उसके लिए पहली डेवलपमेंट हमें लानी है. वो डिसिप्लिन है कि हर वक्त जितना भी इलेक्शंस आते हैं वो हमें प्रॉपर उस टाइम पे जाके करने हैं.
Mumbai's polling day was a mix of challenges and triumphs, from young volunteers to senior citizens. Each story reflects the spirit of our democracy. Let's carry this energy forward as we shape Maharashtra's future, one vote at a time.
ये हमारे देश की पहचान है, हमें वोट जरूर डालना चाहिए, हमारा कर्तव्य है.
देखिए, अगर हम वोट नहीं करेंगे तो हमें बोलने का भी हक नहीं मिलता. अगर मैं कुछ बोलती हूँ समाज के खिलाफ या अपने सिस्टम के खिलाफ तो मुझे वोट करना जरूरी है.
भारत प्रगति के ऊपर जाएगा, ये 100% बराबर है.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.